Hello students, today we are going to see how to use variable in a program. We create a class, calc as a name of the program, double click on this, Control A, delete, write a comment about this program using variables. So we create a class space calc. Then we must write a method which is main method, public static void main of string of arguments, then open it. So before using variables, I would like to say about the variables and data types. A variable is a location in the memory which will have the name for it. Data types are storage format. The size of the variable are determined by the data types. There are two types of data types, that is primitive data type and reference data type. Primitive data types are classified into four groups. First one is integer data types, that is byte, short, int and long. The next one is real data types or decimal data types, which are float and double. Third one is character data type, which can store a character in it. And Boolean is one more data type which can store true or false in it. Generally, we use int data type for integer and double data type for decimal points. Before we use a variable in Java, we need to declare. To declare a variable, we need to type the data type. As I said, for example, int. So this is the data type and then name of the variable. So we give one space and the variable we say, for example, a, and then we terminate it. So here we have declared a variable called a. So if we wanted to do some operations, we may need one more variable or few more variables as we do a calculation. We'll see a program to add two numbers and print the sum. So we need one more variable called int b, and then to store the value, one more variable called c, int c. In case of same data types, we don't need to declare in different statements. We can do like this: a comma b comma c, and then we terminate. So I cancel these two. So we have declared now three variables called a, b and c, where we are going to assign a value for a. So there we use the operator called assignment operator. So a is equal to 10 and then b is equal to 12. So these two values are stored. C is going to be, means the sum of 2, a plus b. So here a and b are called operands, and then the plus symbol is operator. There are 5 mathematical operators. One is plus, that is addition, minus, it is subtraction, the star symbol which is multiplication, and the slash symbol which is division, and then one more symbol which is having the percentage symbol. So this is used to get the remainder after dividing a number. Now we have calculated the value for C and then stored in variable called C. If we wanted to see the result, we have to print it, otherwise it will be in memory, it won't display anything. So we write a output statement, system dot out dot print line of, and then what to be printed inside the brackets. So we print C. Let us compile this. There is no syntax error. Close this and then run. So it shows 22 as the answer. See, it shows just 22. If we want a reference line with it, we can also print. Before this we can do it system dot out dot print line of, so which is a reference line, it will be inside the double quotation, sum is equal to, so it is going to give sum is equal to and then the total. If there is a print line, the next value will be in the fresh line, so we take out this print, compile this. So now we can see sum is equal to 22. Instead of writing in two different lines, we can also save the space and time by giving plus symbol here and then C. So that means in single printing statement we have given two things to print, which is a constant, which is a string which has no value, whatever is in the quotation going to be print that, and then the value which is calculated C. So these two are concatenated by using plus symbol, so that is adding both the outputs in a single printing statement. So we don't need to give in the second line here. No syntax error. Again it is going to be the same type of output. Now I will show you how to use the variable which is having decimal places. Which is having decimal places, nothing but we give as double, and then all these A, B and C are going to be double. Though we give as integer value, it will automatically convert into double, saying 10.0. Otherwise we can also give 10.2 to 1. B is equal to 13.89. So now C is going to be the answer, and then it is going to print C. You could see the result. Now we will see how to store the value of character. So nothing, here we are going to give character data type char and then character ch. Generally we use ch or c, whatever it is. So that is ch is the name of the variable. So what we are going to store there in ch is ch is equal to, inside the single quotation we give any value as a character, so that you should know. So for number value we are not going to give inside the quotation, character value we are giving inside the single quotation. So for example f is a character, so it is going to store. So we are going to just modify this program to print the result of this ch. So we are going to the character evented is character is, so that is ch. Compile. So character is f. Boolean data type stores only true or false. So we can give the data type here Boolean. Boolean maybe any number x. So what it is going to store? It can store a value true or false. So x is equal to, how do we assign x is equal to true? So if we say to print x, it will say true. So we terminate this, and then it is, just I have given for an example, it is compile. It is true. Thank you students for watching my second session. We will meet you in third session. Thank you.